Just to recap everything so far at Singapore of Thailand, this is the transit area, and right now it shows like a lot of people. I guess a couple of flights came in, but most of the time when we came in, it was a ghost town. There's nobody here. um, you need to keep wearing masks. That's pretty good, and they will make sure that you wear it. There's people walking around and making sure that you cover your face, which is a really good thing. Sorry, my mask keeps falling. So and you just have to stay in this area. So if you're planning to see the jewel Singapore, or anything that interesting, it is not in the transit area, and if you're in transit area you cannot go see any of that. So if your plans to stay here and go see all those stuff, this is not the right time for you, because you need to go to get the Singapore travel lane pass, and all that stuff before you go see it. All the wonderful food options that they have, everything is closed. I wanted to shoot the street food thing that they have built over here, which is, I always enjoy eating biryani and Indian food, but everything is closed. I like this lemon juice thing. I got it earlier. Let's get another one before I go. A lot of food right here. But this is the only option. There's many things are closed right now. Which one is good? There's some sceneries here. I'll show you the price. That's $8.90. There's a lot of chocolates too if you want to buy chocolates and stuff like that. I'm planning to get some. I was looking at this. Really good prices. I mean, there's some deals here. If you get $4 each, if you get two, Toblerone. I like this chocolates right here. The British chocolates right here. It's very good. Wow. But they don't have much of a choice in here. That's the only thing. But they have some deals. But it's very limited.